Alright, so let's try to get this question done. Let's solve this next problem under the study of direct integration method using the concept of concept of differential equation. So how do you solve this one here? It's easy as first we said, as usual and as normal procedure we do go through is to take the x other side. So that gives you dy is equal to 4x all over x squared plus 1 all squared. Take the x here, that gives you the x. Next task is getting through. So integrating through, right? That gives you the integral of dy is equal to the integral of 4x all over x squared plus 1, of course, all squared with respect to the x. All right, so I have this one here. My next task here is to integrate this one here and also integrate this one here. If I integrate the y, we know that I'll have y is equal to, if I integrate this one here, that's where the issue comes in. Which method, of course, will you apply here? Of course, in this case here, my task is to also use substitution method. Yes, it will work here. Yes. So my task is to let u to be equal to x squared plus 1. Yes. du dx gives you 2x. That's all. Make the x subject here. The x gives you du over 2x. You see why I just use only this as u. You see why now? This gives you y is equal to the integral of 4x all over, we said everything here is u, so this square should be here squared. Du is of course the x per se is of course du over 2x. Observe that this one now will not cancel this. I'll have just 2 left here. That's the idea. So this gives you y is equal to, let these 2 come outside, that gives you 2 integral of what? I'll have 1 over u squared left dot du. Alright, I have this one here. Next task is that, if you observe closely, for me, this gives you y equals 2 integral. Take this one to indices, that gives you u to power minus 2. This and this are the same thing. I have the u here. This gives you y is equal to 2 into, if I integrate u to the power minus 2, that gives you u to the power of minus 2 plus 1 all over minus 2 plus 1, of course, plus c. This is idea of general method of integration. Right? I have this one here. This now gives you y equals 2 u to the power of minus 1 all over minus 1 plus c. From here, this gives you y. So anything over 1 is that thing, but this negative should come up. So that gives you negative should come up, minus 2, right? Then u to the power of what? Minus 1, then plus c. If I apply indices here, e to the power minus 1 can be written as y equals minus 2 times 1 over u. 1 over u can be written as u to the power minus 1 from indices, right? So these two are comparable. So plus c here, this gives you plus c. That gives you y is equal to minus times 1 gives you minus 2 over this u, of course, plus c. I'll now put u value. What's u? We said u is x squared plus 1. So I'll put x plus 1 here. So finally, I'll have that final answer that gives you y equals minus 2 over u. U is x squared plus 1. That's x squared plus 1, of course, plus c. This is my answer to this particular question. This is how you solve problems of this kind. This is how you solve problems of this nature. Let's dive into the next example under the study of direct integration method.
Alright guys, you can now join my channel membership to have access to exclusive videos of mine which most people will not have access to. To get this link, this membership program, as you can see the left hand side of the screen, you can see the YX/JAM classes. You can go there. It's of course 1,000 naira, or you go for the other level student to have access to both. Right, so once you join the channel membership for other level students, you will have access to both the WAEC and the JAM classes with the other level itself. So do well to join this membership to support our online academic session. See you guys sooner. Guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, YX/JAM student, YX/JAM classes for JAM student, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen. I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen,